So is CPAS included in my course? Two ways to answer this question. I just want to make sure I didn't misunderstood your question. First thing first, if you ask me, is CPAS setup guide included in the course? As in, like, if you already have CPAS, and I'll teach you how to set up the ads using the CPAS, to implement the two-step funnel framework, the answer is yes. But if you ask me, is there any lesson to teach you how to acquire or get CPAS access from Shopee or Lazada? The answer is no. Now, for those who do not know what is CPAS, CPAS is actually it's an access that given by Shopee, for example. It's especially for those who actually sell on Shopee and Lazada or any marketplaces. So if you sell on Shopee, for example, right, the challenge if you run ads to Shopee store, if you do not have CPAS, is you will not be able to retarget people who have taken certain action, like visit your store but did not buy and all that stuff, right? But if you have CPAS, what it means is, Shopee will create a product catalog based on all the products that you have in your Shopee store and share to your Facebook ads account. So in turn, you'll be able to do retargeting very meaningfully, which means that you can retarget people who go to your store, your Shopee store, and did not buy, added to cart but did not buy, and so forth. So that's a very powerful thing, but I can't help you get that. You need to actually level up and to request from the right individual and all that. So different country will have different mechanism. So yeah, I can't help you on that. But if you ask me about whether do we have a CPAS setup guide inside, as in, like, set up Facebook ads using CPAS, we have.